Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies with no flour. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for the best results. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, in a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for the cookie's texture. Then, beat in the large egg and the vanilla extract until everything is fully incorporated. Continue mixing until you have a smooth, cohesive dough, making sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now it's time to shape your cookies. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls and place them about 2 inches apart on your prepared baking sheet. Gently flatten each cookie ball using the bottom of a glass or a fork. This helps them bake evenly. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Let them cool slightly on the sheet. Once baked, let your delicious flourless sugar cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. You can dust them with extra powdered sugar, add a simple glaze, or even sprinkles for a festive touch. These cookies are wonderfully soft and sweet. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.